Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Rapid TV. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.